Hello and welcome back to A Million Bucks Style. I hope you guys are doing fabulous. It's a new month, which means new beginnings. Today we're starting a new series called My First and Lasting Impressions. Today's video is a bare conversation. As you can tell, I have a bare face. I have zero makeup. In fact, I don't even have any skincare right now because today's video is all about skincare. I get a lot of PR products from various skincare brands, and I am also a skincare hoarder. I love trying new skincare products and genuinely immerse myself in the world of beauty, but I'm not so experimental when it comes to makeup. So the concept is rather simple. I will be picking maybe one brand per month or a couple of brands in a month because I also don't want to overdo this, and share what are my first impressions about the product, how to use it, and whether I like it or I don't like it. And this way you will be able to make a refined decision in terms of whether you need this product in your beauty regime or not, how to use it, and what are its benefits. Today we're talking about Dot and Key. I have a lot of products from them, some good, some bad, some nonsensical, but I will share my honest review with you guys and tell you whether it's worth your money or not and what are my first and lasting impressions. Let's get started with the first product. I thought I'll come a little closer in the camera so that you can see my skin. I'm also shooting from my front camera today, so don't mind me if I'm not looking directly in your eyes, but I'm looking at myself in this particular camera. Now, I have a bare face. I have not applied any makeup, any skincare currently. This is what my skin looks like. I don't have a lot of pigmentation, but I do have some PMS acne marks, which have gotten a lot better as compared to what they used to look like when I was getting them. So the first product that I've been using from their skincare range is a face wash from their Cica range, which is this one. I will try and leave something here so that you can read what the ingredients are like. Their Cica Calming Blemish Clearing Face Wash. It's super light and gentle on your skin. So it doesn't lather much, but it definitely makes you feel like you've cleared your skin and makes you feel fresh. It has salicylic and tea tree oil, which is bound to make sure that your skin is clear. Tea tree is also an active agent that helps clear out skin blemishes, and it definitely has worked wonders for me. Currently, the pricing on the packaging is $2.49, but on Nykaa definitely you can check out. You'll get a massive discount. This one is a 100 ml bottle. The tube might look small, but it's not that small. It's quite big. And I have a bunch of their products from this range. So first I wash my face, and it's very, very gentle and I absolutely love it. It's almost empty. I think only this much is left, so I'm definitely going to be purchasing it again. Definitely a good buy. Now, after I have washed my face and patted it dry, I use another product from their Cica range, which has worked wonders for me. In fact, I have already finished a bottle and I wanted to show you the empty bottle. This is what the empty bottle looks like. And I have another one which is almost halfway through. I don't know if you can tell on the video, but it is magic, guys. If you are someone who has acne prone skin or very oily skin, or just someone who gets PMS acne all the time, you definitely have to try it. It is a magic potion, guys. Absolutely love it. So I'm going to read out the product ingredients because I'm not going to remember all of this. So it has Cica, it has cactus, it has 2% salicylic acid, it has zinc, and heartleaf and witch hazel. I know what witch hazel is. I don't know what heartleaf is. So if you know, please leave a comment below. I'd love to understand what it really is and how it helps. All I know is the 2% salicylic acid has worked wonders for my skin. So I apply it right after I have washed my face, and I will leave it on till it's dried up completely. You're going to feel a little dry and your skin is going to feel like it is completely packed with something, just like you feel when you apply a face mask. So you'll feel like your skin is tight, but don't worry about it. It is definitely doing its job. It is priced at 399 rupees as far as the MRP is concerned, but again, you'll get a massive discount on Nykaa, so don't forget to check this out. Definitely a must-have. I'm so happy that I got to try it, and now it's become a big part of my daily skincare routine. So I like the fact that it comes in an applicator form, and you just apply a few drops, and I'm doing it with you because I wanted to show you how it looks. You don't need a lot of product, you just need a few drops. And because I have zero skincare also on right now, I can show it to you guys. Just ignore the eye area and nothing around your under eye. You can go ahead and apply around your nose, around your mouth, and of course on your cheek and any area that you feel you're prone to acne. Let this product completely get soaked into your skin and allow it to be absorbed. After you've applied the acne and oil control gel, you go ahead and apply their 10% niacinamide serum, which has Cica and alpha-arbutin, licorice and oatmeal. I'm guessing that all of these products are supposed to help you get this glowy skin. Niacinamide definitely is something that controls oil production and helps in making sure that your skin is glowy. I have actually had a placebo effect with this product. Just because the other two products have been working in my favor, I feel that this is almost water on my skin. I don't know if it's doing the job. It's rather thin, and well, if you want to spend some money on a product that you may or may not find results in, go for this. I think I can definitely skip on this one. It is supposed to reduce oil and acne production. It is supposed to reduce dark spots, and it has a calming and soothing effect. Definitely not worth spending your money. So if you were to skip a product from this range, I would suggest you skip this one. And after it has completely dry, you apply the oil control moisturizer from their Cica range. And not just any moisturizer, they have a beautiful lightweight oil-free moisturizer from their Cica range. This is what it looks like. I hope you guys are able to see it. If you can't, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a picture as a PIP, so make sure that you check that out. Now, this is a Cica and Niacinamide oil-free moisturizer. You don't need to spend money on this 10% niacinamide at all. I apply a little bit and I'll show you. This one you can absolutely apply all over your eyes also. It's a very, very calming, soothing, moisturizing gel, and I like it during the day because I don't like to add a lot of products right before my sunscreen, because I feel that my sunscreen starts to pill and I don't like that. It is absolutely brilliant, and I've managed to actually replace my Kiehl's oil-free moisturizer with this one, which is a lot more affordable. That one cost about 2,500 rupees, and this one is a steal at I think 495. But again, you'll be able to get a massive discount on Nykaa, so don't forget to check the products out. They also have another product that they sent me. This one is basically a Cica calming gel, which you're supposed to apply during the night. Right after you've done your skincare, you apply this light gel. This is what it looks like. And I absolutely love this entire range except for that 10% niacinamide serum, which I think is quite a waste. So before I move on, I have another product from their Cica range, which is actually a face mask. This is my Sunday routine. I try and make sure that once a week I'm applying a face mask and putting cucumber on my eyes and just relaxing. So this one is an anti-pollution acne defense green clay mask, which works wonders. This is what it looks like. I've used it quite a lot, and it basically makes you look like a green monster, and it's pretty good actually. I'm quite happy with this product and will definitely buy it again once it finishes. Definitely gets 10 on 10 from me on this product. So that's all that I have from their Cica range. I also have a bunch of other products that I like from Dot & Key, and I'm going to talk about them very quickly. So the next product that I want to talk about is their Barrier Repair Hyaluronic Body Lotion, which is this light body lotion. It's not one of those thick moisturizing body lotions, which I absolutely love. I love those thick moisturizers, but I also know that when I'm traveling or in the heat of summer, I don't like to apply a very thick moisturizer because you're sweating and your moisturizer just ruins your clothes. So this one is very, very good. It definitely helps you get rid of dry skin. It's light, so you can apply it right after you come out of the shower. It's priced at 395 rupees for I think this one is 250 ml bottle. It's a cute little bottle and I quite like it. This is what it looks like, guys, and I've been using it pretty regularly. So this one works beautifully for at least the routine that I currently have. But if you are someone who does not use a moisturizing body wash or a body oil after you've taken a shower and your skin feels rather dry, this product is not for you. You need something a lot more stronger and a lot more hydrating. This is a light moisturizer, so if you are someone who likes a light body moisturizer, you should definitely give this one a shot. It does not last for a very long time. It's supposed to be something that lasts you about 12 hours. Give it a shot if in case you think that you want to try something from their range for your body. It's rather hot. Anyways, so the next product that I want to talk about is their retinol, which is actually a collagen booster retinol. It comes in this cute little pink bottle. I'm almost towards the end of it. It has 0.9% retinol, which is very, very gentle. So if you're just starting out on your retinol routine, you should definitely give this one a shot. It also has the miracle boosting powers of pomegranate, so they say. But anyways, I quite like it. It is definitely a part of my nighttime skincare routine. It looks like this milky serum, which is quite nice. Definitely something that I would suggest that you add into your beauty regime. I think that it has helped because I haven't been using any other retinol but this one, and it's definitely worked wonders for my skin. I can literally feel that my skin is a lot more cleaner. There are less lines, and sometimes when you wake up, especially in your 30s, when you wake up, you feel like all of your lines are super visible. With this one in the night, and I also use a bunch of other products, but this one is definitely part of my routine. It's working extra hard all night to make sure that when you wake up, you have glowy, boostful skin, and yeah, I quite like it. And as we age, I think our skin loses a lot of elasticity, and this one has helped me gain that. I also use collagen as far as the drink is concerned, and I use other supplements also, which I can talk about perhaps in another video. If you don't have a retinol in your skincare routine, you should definitely add this one. Doesn't cost much also, because I think most of the range is very, very affordable. It's not one of your expensive products, and yeah, I quite like it. Now the last product that I want to talk about is something that I gave a shot quite a few months ago, and I bought it myself and I felt like what a waste. So if you are someone who has spent money on this, I would say find another way to use it. So it's their Melt in a Flash cleansing balm, which I feel is actually a good cleansing balm if you're in a very hot weather climate, because during the winters when I bought it and I used to use it, I used to find it so cumbersome and waste because it didn't do the job. It definitely needs to melt a little more. I haven't honestly tried it in the summer months. This is what it looks like. So I've tried a little bit of it. It comes with a spatula also. It's supposed to basically get rid of all the makeup that you have on rather quickly. I have been using a cleansing oil from Kiehl's, which I swear by, and I have bought so many bottles, and I make sure that I stock them because I don't want that product to ever go out of stock. I love it so much. When I do talk about Kiehl's products, I will definitely tell you guys to stock it up. It's expensive, but it's totally worth every single penny. With this product, I feel if I gave it a shot now, I might like it because the weather has gotten really hot. You can't sit without the AC anymore. And I feel that this one has definitely that capacity and the thickness to melt your makeup, but it's so thick itself. So by the time I convert it into oil by rubbing it on my skin, I feel that, you know, I've lost my patience. So I like cleansing oils more than cleansing balms, and hence this one is a no for me. Okay guys, that brings us to the end of the video. I have managed to talk about all the products. That brings us to the end of the video. If there's one product from their entire range that you have to try, it has to be their Salicylic acid serum, which is supposed to clear out your acne scars. It has worked wonders for me. Definitely give it a shot and tell me in the comment section once you have tried it, what was your feedback. I have been using their products since December last year, and I know I would never ever suggest something that I don't personally like. And just know for a fact that this is my personal opinion. It works for me and I'm only sharing what works for me. Now, my skin is not very sensitive. I do have an oily T-zone, but I have a combination skin and I can experiment with a lot of products, and I would only advise you to make sure that you always patch test before you buy any product, because something that's working for me may not work for you. So make sure that you take note of that. And I also feel that you should definitely speak to a dermatologist when you're trying something new. If you can't really speak to a dermatologist and you have certain skincare issues, there are many dermatologists that are on Instagram. If you send them a DM, I'm sure they'll be able to respond to you. I wanted to share these products because I absolutely love them, and I would never suggest something that is not good. If you have any questions with regards to these products, please let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely get back to you. All the links to everything that I have shown in this video is linked below. Just make sure that you know that everybody has a very different skin, everybody has a very different climate, and also different skin issues, different lifestyle. So something that might work for me may not work for you. So keep a note of that. Let me know in the comment section below if you enjoyed this series. I'm going to make it a regular if I get a lot of likes and views on this, because that's obviously telling me whether you guys liked it or not. I will see you guys very, very soon. Until then, keep it stylish and always look and feel like $1,000,000.